Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you detach a component. First, what you're gonna do is about to understand how being satisfied with the progress that is really to be important. How you can see this kind of detaching I think is really to be satisfied with a certain progress that we want actually through detaching component instant sync. So we can start to go over here with a rectangle and draw it. Okay, so we're gonna start to make a rectangle or a circle or however the shape is, and then circle. So what we're gonna see over here is about to create a component. Okay, so we're gonna start right here, click create component. Now we wanted to start with detach, so we go to search here and type detach all things. So we're gonna start to detach it, detach, and detach variables, and also detach a component. As you can see, the component has been detached, and this will be like this.